Namaskar. Bad focus, weak memory, forgetfulness. These are not normal. The brain is an amazing organ and is really resilience. A sharp brain can help you take powerful, effective decisions. A sharp brain helps you in being creative, caring, and courageous. But nowadays, your brain is constantly overloaded and stressed. That is why I say that currently information has increased, but attention has decreased. And brain suffers silently, but your brain changes every single day according to your habits. So you can actually retain your brain to become more sharper. So today let's understand 7 powerful daily habits that can genuinely sharpen your brain naturally. These are deeper habits that affects concentration, memory, emotional balance, creativity, and long-term brain health. The first habit is spend 10 minutes daily in complete silence. Unfortunately, nowadays the brain never truly rests. The moment you wake up, you immediately start consuming notifications, videos, messages, news, music. The nervous system is immediately overstimulated. But when you sit quietly without stimulation, the brain begins reorganizing itself. This is why great thinkers, yogis, philosophers, and spiritual masters always valued silence deeply. Even 10 minutes of complete silence daily can calm the nervous system tremendously. The next habit is walk barefoot on natural grounds. The human brain evolved in connection with nature. Walking barefoot on grass soil or natural ground helps calm the nervous system and reduce stress overload. This practice is sometimes called grounding. When stress hormones reduce, the brain functions better. Practice this and you will notice improved mental calmness, emotional stability, and better sleep after reconnecting with nature. Because remember, your nervous system was never designed to live disconnected from the earth. The third habit is practice single tasking instead of multitasking. Modern culture glorifies multitasking. Every time you jump between messages, emails, videos, conversations, and work, the brain becomes mentally fatigued. Concentration weakens. Memory also becomes poorer because the brain never enters deep focus. Instead, train your brain to do one thing fully. When eating, just eat. When reading, just read. When listening, just listen. Single tasking strengthens the attention, like exercise strengthens muscles. And attention is one of the greatest power today. The next habit to sharpen your brain is use your non-dominant hand for small daily activities. This may sound simple, but powerfully stimulates the brain. Try brushing your teeth, opening doors, or eating occasionally with your non-dominant hand because such small things forces the brain to create new neural pathways. The mind becomes more alert and adaptive. Most people live on autopilot every day, but when you challenge the brain in small ways, it stays active and flexible. Brain sharpness is not only about consuming information, it is also about keeping the nervous system adaptable. The fifth habit is to practice slow, deep breathing or Yogendra Pranayam 1 before important decisions. So many of you make decisions while you are under stress or angry, anxious, or mentally overloaded. But stress immediately affects brain function. When stress hormones rise, focus reduces, memory weakens, impulsive behavior increases, and emotional reactions become stronger. This is why pranayams are so powerful. Before important conversations or decisions, practice slow, deep breathing for even 2 to 5 minutes. Sixth, stop feeding your mind negativity unnecessarily. Now understand that one of the biggest reason the brain becomes exhausted today is not lack of intelligence. It is excess negativity that comes from constant bad news, fear-based contents, comparison, anger, judgment, and negative self-talk running continuously inside your mind. You don't even realize that every thought creates a chemical response in the body. When the mind constantly lives under fear, negativity, stress, or irritation, the nervous system remains disturbed. The Yoga Sutra also says we should be indifferent to those who are evil. This also includes the negativity in your own mind. So always remember, a peaceful mind is a powerful mind. And the seventh and last habit to sharpen your mind is to stop reacting to everything immediately. That is a very common habit, to react immediately to everything around. A message comes, immediate reaction. Someone disagrees, immediate reaction. Someone goes wrong, immediate stress, anger, or panic. And slowly the brain begins to remain in the constant state of emotional disturbance. But in yoga, a reactive mind is not a sharp mind. A sharp mind is a calm, observant, and emotionally balanced. When you learn to pause before reacting, your thought becomes clearer, your decisions become wise, and the brain stops wasting energy on unnecessary negativity. Along with these habits, let me also tell you about the asanas that can deeply support cognitive health. Yogendra Balasana, which calms the nervous system and reduces mental fatigue. It helps the brain relax from constant stimulation. Then you can also practice Yogendra Brahmari Pranayam daily. This breathing practice is extremely calming for the brain. The humming vibration relaxes the nervous system and improves mental clarity beautifully. Many people feel immediate calmness after practicing Brahmari Pranayam. Yoga teaches us to direct the mind inwardly. That would strengthen the mind. And these 7 habits would do just that. Try them and you will see the difference immediately. Namaskar.